You know how hard it is to be a Jew? You do. You grew up in that context. It's the way you look at the world. But a guy like me, it's so much easier to stay outside. It's so much easier. I went to Phillips Andover. I had a great John F. Kennedy Jr. was in my class. I mean, that's the American dream. It's an incomplete dream for American Jews. They just don't realize it yet. And we have to make it clear to them that that's an incomplete dream. And it won't be by yelling at them. I'm a text learner. I found text. And I thank God for it. It's the grounding of my Jewish experience. But that's my story. Yours is different. What would bring you to love this? What would bring you to be passionate about this? Some kids say camp is what defines my experience. Other kids say it's Jewish social service is my way of thinking about it. There has to be paths, multiple paths, for every Pintele Yid to find his and her way in. Has to be.